Did you know that over 80% of consumers use online searches to find local businesses? Imagine your business popping up first in those searches. Crazy, right? One small business leveraged Google My Business or GMB or GBP, saw their customers call triple in just a month. Stick around and I'll show you how to achieve that kind of success. So, what exactly is Google My Business? It's a free tool that helps businesses manage their online presence across Google, including search and maps. If you want your local business to stand out, getting your GMB ranking up is crucial. Why? Because a higher ranking means more visibility, which translates to more customers walking through your door. Let's dive into how we can boost that ranking. All right, let's get into the nitty gritty. Here's some killer strategies to enhance your GMB rankings. First up, make sure to optimize your business information. This means keeping your name, address, and phone number consistent and accurate. Google loves that. Next, let's talk about photos. Adding high quality images of your business, products, and services can make a huge difference. Customers are visual and appealing. Photos can really draw them in. Don't forget about reviews. Encourage your happy customers to leave positive reviews. The more reviews you have, the higher your credibility. And guess what? Google takes that into account with ranking businesses. Engage with your reviews too. Respond to them. Thank your customers and resolve any issues. Lastly, keep those posts fresh. Regularly updating your GMB profile and posts about promotions, events, and new products keep your audience engaged and signals to Google that you're active. Now, here's the golden nugget. The most impactful tip to boost your good GMB ranking fast is use Google Posts. This feature allows you to share updates directly on your GMB listings. Thinking of it as a mini social media feed. Post about upcoming sales, new arrivals, or even community events. Google loves fresh content, and these posts can directly influence your rankings. Plus, they keep your customers informed and engaged. So don't sleep on this one. Start posting regularly. To wrap things up, let's recap what we covered. Start by optimizing your business information, making sure everything is accurate. Add attractive photos to draw in customers. Encourage and manage reviews to build your reputation. And don't forget to keep your content fresh and engaging with Google Posts. All these strategies work together to enhance your GMB ranking, making it easier for potential customers to find you. In conclusion, Google My Business is a vital tool for any local business looking to grow. Improving your GMB ranking can lead to increased visibility, more customers, and ultimately more sales. So don't put it off. Start implementing these tips today and watch your business soar. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you had success with your GMB? Share your stories in the comments below. And if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And for more marketing advice, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.